Okay, so this is a Better Homes and Garden cookbook. No, it is not in sections like this. It's just falling apart because that's how long I've had this book. I am going to turn to page 217 and make some banana bread. We're gonna make it vegan style. So we're gonna make a few substitutions and you get to watch. Flour here, and you just need 1.5 cup. One and a half teaspoons. That's 1. That's 2. And your 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Cinnamon. And you need 1/4 teaspoon of this. Whisk everything together. Now here comes the fun part. You just smash the bananas. All right, and they should look about like that when you're finished. To that, you need 3/4 cup of sugar. That's a lot, I know. And then you need 1/4 cup of oil. I am going to use coconut oil. I love this kind too because it's got like a butter flavor. Just kind of drizzle that in. You also have to add an egg to this, but we're not doing that. So 1 egg is equal to 1/4 cup of applesauce. And just give that a little stir. So you're gonna mix your wet ingredients in with your dry. Just kind of fold it over. Okay, and once you have it, you know, gently mixed. Remember that other ingredient I said I was gonna add? Gonna add it now. Enjoy Life mini chocolate chips. They're really good, vegan friendly, and they taste delicious. About 1/4 cup. Once you have it all mixed, it'll look like this, and then you can pour it into your baking dish and bake it for 50 minutes in that preheated oven of 350. And now we're gonna put it in the oven. Just took it out of the oven. That looks so good. It smells even better. Can't wait to take a bite. Oh my gosh, look at that. You can see all the chocolate chips in there, the chunks of banana. The chocolate. The chocolate. And my laughing son. So, how is it?
It's very
How is it?
good.